Today's defense news, the highlights. Bharat Electronics and Safran Electronics partner to manufacture Hammer smart weapon system in India. Hindustan Aeronautics signed long-term deal with Safran for LEAP engine turbine forged parts. Safran Aircraft Engines and Titan Engineering forged strategic partnership for LEAP engine component manufacturing in India. DRDO transfers Su-30 brake parachute technology to Ordnance Equipment Factory. An RFI issued for surveillance copter. DRDO unveils 155 Ramjet projectile for ATAGS at Aero India 25. India-France signed pact on modular reactors, launch roadmap on artificial intelligence. Godrej Aerospace signs MOU with ADA. TATA Elxsi partners with Garuda Aerospace to set up drone design certification center. Kalyani Strategic Systems partners with L3 Harris to develop next generation tactical solutions for military communication. Bharat Forge and Liebherr to establish aerospace component manufacturing facility in Pune. Bharat Forge and Veda Aeronautics join forces to develop advanced battlefield UAV technology for Indian Defence Forces. GE Aerospace signs contract with Indian Air Force for T-700 engine sustainment solution. Aster Defence showcases Chakra Trap handheld UAV system. Data Patterns showcases fire control radar. Waterfly Technologies, an early-stage startup from IIT Madras, showcased world's first autonomous wing and drone craft. In the global highlights, the SDA asked industry to propose 60-day studies of novel capabilities for Iron Dome. Seeking more consistent coverage, UK MOD commissions Airbus for first SAR satellites. Now, let's have a look at the news in detail. Bharat Electronics and Safran Electronics have signed an agreement to establish a joint venture for the manufacturing, customization, and maintenance of the Hammer, that is the highly agile modular munition extended range smart precision guided air to ground weapon in India. The partnership also plans to establish a center of excellence focused on improving India's defense capabilities. This center will enhance joint manufacturing, engineering, and maintenance services for the Indian Armed Forces, including operational maintenance, repairs, and overhauls of optronics and navigation equipment. Safran will implement a knowledge transfer program with production being phased in the Bharat Electronics leading final assembly, testing and quality assurance. Hammer, a combat proven precision guided weapon, is designed for use across various platforms including the Rafale fighter jet and light combat aircraft Tejas. Hindustan Aeronautics signed a long-term contract with Safran Aircraft Engines for supply of turbine forged parts for their LEAP engines during Aero India 25. Under the terms of the contract, HAL will produce forged parts for LEAP engine at its state-of-the-art ring rolling facility at Foundry and Forge Division in Bangalore, supporting the LEAP program's ramp-up for global airline requirements. Safran Aircraft Engine and Titan Engineering and Automation Limited (TEAL), based in Bangalore, signed a contract for the production of parts for the LEAP engine's low-pressure turbine. This first partnership between the two companies leverages TEAL's technological expertise and will enhance production capabilities for the LEAP in India. Production of the first parts will start in 2026. Safran Aircraft Engine is developing a complete industrial ecosystem in India, backed by major Indian partners to support the ramp up of LEAP production as well as the M88 engine powering the Rafale. Safran Aircraft Engines already has 5 production sites in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Goa. A sixth site dedicated to LEAP engine MRO facilities will open in Hyderabad in 2025. India is CFM's third largest market in terms of the number of engines in service, with 75% of the Indian commercial fleet equipped with CFM engines. Today, of the 500 aircraft operated by 7 Indian airlines with CFM engines. Over 370 are LEAP powered and over 2,000 engines are on order for Indian airlines. DRDO transferred key technology for the Su-30 fighter jet's brake parachute to the Ordnance Equipment Factory Hazratpur at Aero India 25. The brake parachute is a crucial component that helps slow down the Su-30 during landing. The transfer is expected to enhance domestic manufacturing capabilities and reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. The factory has previously collaborated with DRDO on aerial delivery systems and other defense related textile products. With this latest development, it aims to improve the Air Force's operational efficiency while supporting the country's long term goal of self sufficiency in aerospace technology. DRDO showcased a new 155 Ramjet projectile designed for Bharat Forge 155 52 caliber Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System ATAGS. This new projectile is intended to extend the range of the ATAGS by up to 80 kilometers, which is a significant increase from its existing range of 45 kilometers. The Army is expected to finalize a contract to procure 307 ATAGS units by March 25. The ATAGS, weighing 12 tons, was jointly developed in the 2010 by DRDO with the industry partners including Bharat Forge, Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited, and Tata Advanced Systems. It is capable of firing 6 rounds in 30 seconds and 5 successive rounds in a short duration. The Prime Minister and the French President reviewed cooperation in different areas during the bilateral talks. France will host 10 Indian startups at its prestigious startup incubator Station F. This initiative aims to boost India France business and technology collaboration. India and France have signed a pact to collaborate on advanced modular reactors and small modular reactors. The partnership aims to enhance energy security and support the transition to a low carbon economy. Joint development and cooperation in training and education for nuclear professionals will be involved. India France roadmap on artificial intelligence. It focuses on developing safe, secure, and trustworthy artificial intelligence. Emphasis on creating norms and standards that reflect democratic values, foster industrial partnerships, deepen research collaborations, and ensure AI development complies with legal frameworks on intellectual property rights and privacy. Godrej and Boyce Aerospace Unit has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Aeronautical Development Agency to develop flight control actuators for the AMCA. This collaboration builds on Godrej's 20-year partnership with ADA in developing components for flight critical DDV based servo actuators. Godrej will be responsible for precision manufacturing, sourcing aerospace grade raw materials, assembling and testing under the pact. Godrej Aerospace also entered into a strategic partnership with the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, to collaborate on research and development projects in the aerospace and defense sector. The 3-year MOU aims to leverage the expertise and resource of both organizations to develop innovative technologies and solutions for the growing requirement of the A&D sector, advancing indigenous manufacturing. Tata Elxsi and Garuda Aerospace have signed a memorandum of understanding at Aero India to establish a UAV design, engineering and certification center for developing indigenous drone technologies. The collaboration aims to support the Make in India initiative with applications in defense, agriculture and smart cities. Tata Elxsi will lead the design, development, testing and certification of UAV subsystems using its expertise in areas such as avionics, miniaturization, ground control system, secured communication and energy optimization. Garuda Aerospace will lead business acquisitions and delivery. The partnership will focus on developing indigenous UAV systems, including drones, sensors, AI driven analytics, and eVTOL solutions. Kalyani Strategic Systems and L3 Harris Technologies have partnered to develop advanced tactical solutions for military communication, aligning with the US India Defence Industrial Cooperation Framework. The collaboration aims to enhance India's defence capabilities by fostering indigenous innovation and reducing reliance on foreign imports. The partnership seeks to develop advanced C4ISR technologies and establish a robust tactical communication network for the armed forces. A 2-year memorandum of understanding will see both companies working together to provide solutions in C4ISR technologies. This partnership enables L3 Harris to leverage KSSL's local expertise. In a strategic alignment, the collaboration aligns with the US India Defence Industrial Cooperation, promoting advanced military technology collaboration. L3 Harris will provide its technological innovations, extending its existing global presence. They have been operating in India for over 21 years, equipping the armed forces with tactical radios and airborne electro-optic infrared systems. During Aero India 25, Bharat Forge and Liebherr announced a collaboration to establish a manufacturing facility to address the global aerospace industry demand. As part of the partnership, Bharat Forge will set up a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at its headquarters in Pune that is planned to be operational in 2025. The new facility will feature a ring mill that incorporates advanced forging and machining technologies to produce high precision components, including landing gear components. The investment, led by Bharat Forge, underscores the commitment of the company to delivering world class solutions for Liebherr and its global customer base. Bharat Forge and Veda Aeronautics, involved in development and supply of unmanned systems, have signed a memorandum of understanding to develop state-of-the-art unmanned aerial vehicles and other high-speed aerial weapon systems used in the battlefield. While Veda has been engaged in shaping the unmanned system technology for defense services, Bharat Forge will supply the microjet engines used in these unmanned systems. GE Aerospace signed a 5-year performance-based logistics contract with the Air Force to provide a comprehensive sustainment solution for the T700 GE701D engines powering the Air Force's fleet of AH-64E Apache helicopters. The exact value of the contract between GE and Indian Air Force for the T700 engine sustainment solution has not been publicly disclosed. Under this contract, GE Aerospace will be responsible for MRO of the T700 engines as well as flight line parts to ensure engine availability to the Air Force. The PBL solution is designed to streamline engine sustainment operations, improve turnaround times, and enhance the availability and operational readiness of the Apache fleet. The T700 CT7 family of turboshaft and turboprop engines powers 15 types of military and civilian helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft with more than 130 customers in over 50 countries. At Aero India 25, Astra Defence, a Hubli-based startup, unveiled the Chakra Trap, a hand-held hard-kill counter-unmanned aerial vehicle system. This innovative system is designed to neutralize hostile drones by physically capturing and disabling them. The Chakra Trap uses a grenade-based projectile that deploys a high-tensile net to entangle the propellers of drones, rendering them inoperable. Now let's see some of the key features. High tensile net. The system launches a bullet-shaped device containing a high tensile net that expands into an 8 square meter trap upon detecting a drone. Equipped with an artificial intelligence-based fire control system and a smart sight for detection, tracking and precision targeting. The system has an operational range of up to 500 meters, exceeding the global standard of 150 to 200 meters. Provides a reliable non-electronic solution to neutralize all UAV types, including autonomous, remote-controlled and wired drones. The system has undergone successful testing and will soon be tested in extreme environments like Siachen. Data Patterns has unveiled its Hawk 1 2700 multifunction fire control and tracking radar at the Aero India show. The radar is being developed as part of a project to replace the aging Russian NO-11 bars radar system fitted onto the Air Force's Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets. The Hawk 1 2700 is being developed indigenously and operates in X-band frequency between 8 GHz and 12 GHz. According to data patterns, the radar has search mode where it can achieve a range of 250 kilometers, and in track modes its range is 200 kilometers. The radar's wide field of view of up to 100 degrees enables the Hawk to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. Its solid-state active phased array architecture provides high precision accuracy in both azimuth and elevation data of the target. Waterfly Technologies is an early stage startup from IIT Madras. They are developing the world's first autonomous wing and drone craft which can take off from water and fly very close to the water surface at a height of about 10 feet and then be able to carry payloads of range from 20 tons to about 3,000 tons. This can be put to use both in civil and defense. In civil, it's basically able to offer the speed of an aircraft with the cost of a ship. And in defense, this is very useful for transportation of troops and cargo in very contested environments like in the Pacific Theater or in other places. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.